two ways of preparing iced tea. One is summertime and the other one is cold time. So we are going to make and show you how to prepare this. So come, we will join together and prepare this. It's going to be delicious and I hope you will enjoy this type of tea. There are two ways of making the tea. So I will just show you first one. That is tea bags. You take the tea bags or you can have even the normal tea leaves even. It doesn't matter. So we will take the tea leaves and boiling water we will add and make it to brew the tea. Now what we are going to do is add the water and boil the water. We are going to boil the water, a little water only, but I am going to make for two people, but still I am just adding only a little water to brew the tea. 4 tea bags I have taken. 2 bags for one person, so 4 bags I have taken and put it in. The water is boiling now. Off the cooker, add the water to brew this tea leaves. Brew it. This is ice water and I will put the ice water into a bowl. And I'm going to add, if you like, add sugar. This iced tea, some they don't want sugar, but if you like, you can add a little sugar. Just for 2 people now, so I'm adding a little sugar. And then I will add the mint leaves into it. Mint leaves into the ice water. Sugar and ice water I have put. So I have used that. You can see that has to dissolve. Mint leaves and sugar. Little sugar only I put. That is for one person, half a teaspoon. So say roughly 1 teaspoon I have put for both people whom I am going to make. Now you brew this nicely. Let it be for a little while. Meanwhile, I will put a little lime juice into the ice water. Now you might be wondering how much ice water I have to put into this ice water. I'm using 2 dessert spoons of that I have used. This is how I do it now. Squeeze and take it. For 2 people, 4 leaves I have put. Now what we have to do is we have to keep this in the fridge, or I have taken only a little. Since I have taken a little water, there is no problem. Now I will add into the ice water. This is the first thing I have done here. Now you could see, if you want, I can use a little more ice water. Ice water only I am using, right? Now, generally what we have to do is keep this in the fridge for a little while and then take it, because we said we need this actually cool, iced. So if it is iced, we need this ice water have to be done. Now what I am doing is I am putting the ice cubes into the glass. Super. Now we will use the tea. Actually, I'm going want to show you something different. I have put this, and even the mint leaves goes in. Right? Mint leaves have gone in. That's the first thing. Now this is the normal tea which I'm putting it. We want this to be done in a nice way. Right. That. And the next one is a Kashmir iced tea that I'm doing. So for the Kashmir iced tea, watch what I'm doing is almonds. Either use almonds, which is I have removed the skin, a little almonds you put, not a lot, little almonds, or any kind of nuts you can put, walnuts, whatever nuts you like, and a little turmeric. Also, you take this. Turmeric is also put and mix it nicely. Okay. Now we put more lime into this. Both I'm putting lime into this. Okay. It's ready. I think it's ready for us to take. Summertime, it's a treat, I say. You can have this iced tea. It's really nice to have this iced tea. Actually, it's very tasty, and when it is hot, this iced tea is going to be really good. With the mint, lovely. You can have it. And you can make this, keep it in the fridge, and use it whenever you want, and put a few ice cubes, and you can have. With the mint leaves and the lime, you can have it, and it's so delicious. And I would say good also. It's healthy also because lime is there, so it is healthy. And here I have done the Kashmir tea, we say. It's cold climate. Kashmir is cold, and even other countries, cold country people also can use. So you are using a little turmeric and a little nuts into it. It has a different flavor and taste. You can try that and see, so that it will be really nice. These are two different types. This is for summer, this is for cold season. So both are beautiful, very nice, tasty.